Welcome. We're diving into the massive $1.8 billion Anti-Weaponization Fund, which continues to attract major interest despite facing significant lawsuits and political opposition. This fund has captured headlines not only for its size, but also for its provocative name and mission, setting it squarely in the middle of public and legal debates. The formal announcement of the $1.8 billion Anti-Weaponization Fund immediately signaled its substantial presence and controversial nature in the financial landscape. The fund's purpose, framed around, quote, anti-weaponization, has sparked intense reaction, making its name synonymous with its high-stakes, politically charged investment focus. However, the fund's journey has been anything but smooth, encountering significant roadblocks in the form of both political backlash and serious legal challenges. We are currently seeing details of multiple ongoing lawsuits, which aim to challenge the fund's operations and potentially its very existence. This puts the fund's management under immense pressure. The political blowback includes coordinated opposition from various influential figures and groups who disagree with the fund's underlying agenda and fear its impact on public discourse. Despite the storm of controversy, a surprising trend is emerging: sustained and even growing investor interest in the $1.8 billion fund. The demand for a stake in the fund remains high, illustrating a disconnect between the public and political scrutiny it faces and the confidence of its financial backers. Why the attraction? Investors are drawn by the potential for high returns and the fund's unique, counter-cyclical positioning in a volatile market. To understand the fund's appeal, we must look closer at its specific objectives and the areas where it chooses to focus its substantial capital. For investors, anti-weaponization translates into backing initiatives that promote free speech, transparency, and challenge perceived institutional biases in the economy. Examples of supported ventures include technology startups focusing on decentralized platforms, media organizations promoting diverse viewpoints, and legal defense funds for constitutional challenges. In conclusion, the, quote, Anti-Weaponization Fund is a powerful illustration of financial resolve, operating with immense resources despite heavy legal and political headwinds. This resilience confirms that a segment of investors is willing to embrace high-risk, high-reward opportunities tied to politically divisive narratives. The future likely holds continued legal battles and political controversy, but with $1.8 billion secured, the fund is positioned to be a major player for years to come.